Hello guys. In today's video, I want to walk you through my trading breakdown today. I did not take anything, but I want to walk you through why. I, if I wanted to take something, I couldn't because tradovate was down the whole morning session. So it's pretty fortunate that today was the day I didn't want to take anything. So let's see. Coming into the day, I was obviously pretty bullish because we were just ripping higher and we had all-time highs here. So I was like, we are obviously going to take that at this week or the next week. I don't know yet. We'll see. But I went to see some sort of longs outside of this lower 4-hour gap. But we never end up hitting these in the session. So when market opened, we came a little bit higher. We created SMTs from this high. Yes, we did. Okay. And I was like, okay, I don't want to take anything until we come down and take out these lows. And we then came down and created equal lows with this low resting inside the 15-minute fair gap. So I was like, okay, it would have been a good long idea if we take out this low, but we never did take out. We had a pattern trade idea here. It was not bad, but I won't take that. And we swept out this high. We created equal highs above, and it's never a good idea to trade when we have equal lows and equal highs, especially this clean equal highs and equal lows. So I was like, okay, I will not trade this. And then we came down, we respected the 2-minute, we inversed the 2-minute, we came up like here, nothing crazy, and then dumped, take out the equal lows, and that's where we had a 3-minute here. I did not take this, I only took it on paper, so you can see it in the shorts if you want, but it did not play out, obviously. I didn't like this as much as I would have liked if it swept this 15-minute low and came into this 4-hour gap. It did not, and when this 3-minute failed, I was like, okay, I'm hopping off the charts because there will be no setups today. It will be FOMC at 2 p.m. I think, or 2:30. So when the FOMC is happening, the price action isn't really good. So I was like, I will just stay out this day, so I won't lose anything. And I couldn't because tradovate was down. So yeah, and we were just chopping after we took out this low. So I'm not mad about not trading today. And yeah, that's all I have for today. We came down and swept out these lows too. This 15 minutes what I wanted, but it didn't present any setups from here, so I did not miss out on anything. But I believe we will go higher the following days. But we will see if we can go higher because we are not controlling the market. But we can get pretty cool setups to all-time highs. So I hope there will be. And it will be great if FOMC will leave something like a news high or something that I can target tomorrow. let's see today. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something from this breakdown. You have to be patient. You don't have to trade when you don't like something, and if you have equal highs, equal lows, and some liquidity, some strong liquidity levels like this, you just don't want to trade that. If you have these on both sides, you just don't want to trade those. So yeah. So I will see you in the next one, guys. Peace.